Balancing the global markets, we spoke to Vishal Manchanda, the Senior VP Institutional Research at Systematic Shares and Stocks, to know his top pharma picks and the rationale behind them. Let's listen into that bite.
I think in the space, our bias is to be kind of more aligned with the companies that have less US exposure. So among the large companies that have relatively less US exposure are Sun Pharma, Cipla. So these are two players with relatively lower US exposure. Their exposure to the US is around 30 to 33% of the sales. While if we look at Lupin, Zydus or Dr. Reddy's, their exposure is between 40 to 50% of sales. So the reason to kind of prefer companies having higher presence outside the US is because US as a market is not growing. The demand is saturated. You don't have generic penetration is already at 90%. There is no volume growth happening in the market. If at all, it's only low single digit volume growth that we are witnessing in the market.
Well,